Yo, what is good, guys? The Emilio over here. Welcome to today's market review on the NASDAQ index. Today is Thursday, October 12th. It was CPI day today, so without further ado, let's hop straight into the charts and see what happened today. So, as previously mentioned, we know it was CPI day today, so we were extremely bearish as soon as the open. I do believe the fundamental sentiment after CPI is going to be rather bullish, but that's a completely different issue. So, as we can see over here within the quarterly cycles, we see that this sell-side liquidity was displaced and this buy-side liquidity was felt to get taken. This is a 5-minute time frame. As soon as we continue going bearish after CPI, we failed to break the CPI low, meaning that we do need to go for this buy-side liquidity given that we already took out sell-side. So we see over here in the second quarter, which is our first quarter of the silver bullet, we take out this buy-side liquidity, which would usually mean we go for the sell-side. However, we do need to wait until the next cycle because we already took buy-side liquidity from a previous cycle. As soon as we get into the 1030 cycle, we see that we take out buy side, and it would be reasonable to go for the sell side. However, it is CPI day and it is a low probability day, so I was not taking any trades, and I knew that it was not likely that this would happen. We can see it was rejecting at a previous level, which is the previous high of day, so that's completely normal. On the cycle after that, at 1220, we do take the buy side liquidity. Now we have no more buy side liquidity to be left, and all the cycles from the New York AM session are now complete. After this, we go straight for sells and take out the sell-side liquidity that was created during the CPI low. There could have been some good trades here after the break and closure over here, or some entry around here. However, it was still low probability. And as we can see, we continue to the downside to target the previous low of day, which is a strong point of liquidity. Again, guys, CPI day, low probability day. I personally did not take any trades, but it's all about focusing on the liquidity and where the liquidity is. Let's go quick into the 1 minute just to see how everything played out. So again, as I was talking to you guys, right over here, we did take out this buy-side liquidity. At what time did this happen? This happened at 10:27 a.m. So at 10:27 a.m., we took the buy-side liquidity of the previous session, so we could expect to go for sell-side liquidity. However, low probability day, the market was getting extremely choppy towards the end of the bullet, so it's better to stay out of these trades. Then after that, we take more buy-side liquidity in the final quarter. However, it is still a low probability day. Then we continue, we take buy-side liquidity one more time, and then after that we continue melting down. So once we break this point over here and we know that the market is willing to continue going lower, then we could have found some entries. After this candle, we could have probably entered on the break of this candle and whatnot, but it's outside of my trading window, it's not in my trading plan, and it's outside of my trading day. So just to review with you guys one more time, we came all the way over here and we took out the sell-side liquidity and failed to take this buy-side liquidity. Once we come over here, it rejects the low of the CPI, which means that we're going to go for buy-side liquidity. As we saw, we took this little sell-side point and then went straight for the buy-side. Once we do that, the market tries to go bearish, but again, because it is a low probability day and it is extremely choppy, we continue rejecting from here, taking more buy-side liquidity, buy-side liquidity. What does it mean when the market is gathering so much buy-side liquidity that we're going to go for a strong draw on the sell-side liquidity, which is exactly what happened after. We take buy-side liquidity once, we take buy-side liquidity twice, make that 3 times after this over here, and then we have this extreme sell-off right during the after lunch, which means that there was a schedule for the market to go there. It was simply gathering more buy-side liquidity before making a strong move for the sell-side. So that's going to be the entire review for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope this works for you to study the markets and to see the markets from a different perspective. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn your post notifications on because I'm going to be doing these videos daily for NASDAQ. And if you guys ask for gold, for euro dollar, I might just implement it into these reviews. Again, thanks for watching the video and hope you guys have a great day. Take care.